I gotta shout out to this red light. This bitch got the booth looking nice. Damn. I don't even need my shades on, but fuck it, it's a lyrics. Oh. Yeah. Look. Yes, I'm popping them fucking bands. Smoke green, like Peter Pan. Fuck it, I got all green like Peter Pan. I'm in this bitch and I smack you with the back of my hand. Like a motherfucking kickstand, bitch. And I am a fucking ladies man, bitch. But I'm not a player, I just got hella bitches. And I'm in a fucking car and that nigga hitting switches. And I'm getting hella bitches. And I'm always getting bitches. And I'm always getting dough. Make her take off her fucking clothes. Strip down her fucking clothes. And my wrist, that bitch always glow. Yes, I'm gonna have a show. Have everybody at my show. Yes, I'm getting hoes, nigga. Hoes on hoes on hoes. Dough on dough on dough. Smoke dro on dro on dro. Clothes on clothes on clothes. Got a polo on top of polo. And you bitch niggas acting like you're some type of homo. I'm in this bitch, toss that ass back like Tony Romo. And I'm getting dough and I'm selling promo. Sell weed, Zay bitch. Hoes up on my motherfucking big dick. I got the big dick for your big bitch. Got the motherfucking money in the back, bitch. And the Cadillac with the 4-5 straps. Hit you with the 4-5. Nigga flow faster than the motherfucker 4-3. I'm in the 40-yard dash, my clips in the 4-3. And I'm shooting you niggas and I'm sparking shit. Smoking blunts and my motherfucking diamonds look like rents. And I get in the rump. In this bit I stump. I stump. And my music they bump. And you got them bumps on your motherfucking head. And I put that tech up to your motherfucking head. I never been broke, cause always well fed. And always getting bread, always getting hit. Put that shit up to your head, to your ass into shreds. Leave your ass looking like Dawn of the Dead. Bitch, I'm going in. Bitch, I'm going dumb. You pussy niggas, y'all niggas is some bums. I never been a bum. I'm always so fly. I've been fly the day I came out the womb. And I smoke blunts longer than the dreads on Young Tune. In this beat, and that bitch got a boom. I'm going in, sweep her off her feet like a broom. I control electricity, you will call me Doom.